Hey, so I'm going to show you how I organize my dating using this Notion template, which you can actually download in the link below. I just want to clarify here that date doesn't have to be with like a significant other. A date can be just for yourself, or it could just be for like you and your friends, like you and family. But anyways, I don't know about you, but I find it really difficult to keep track of all of the things I want to do and the places that I want to go. And so I built this system to help organize all of that, all of those thoughts and just like put it somewhere where I can access my phone or my computer or if you have a tab, anything like that. And so I'm going to show you how it works. And so I mentioned that you could make this for like your friends or your significant others. And the cool thing about Notion is that you can actually share this page with someone else and have them contribute it too. So it's great if like you have a partner and you want to like keep track of like the dates that you get. Okay, so first things first, if you have a date idea, you can either add it here, like let's say you saw really cute cafe, you would tag it with category food, maybe drop a link to the Insta or something, had really cute decor, and you would just like leave it there. And so this is a section to add new date ideas. And so this is filtered for date added is today. And you can also add new date ideas from down here. And there is a section to do so in each place. So you can see that it's already been added here. And it's also going to be in this toggle as well, because this section, everything that you add is going to be tagged with food. And like in this section, like everything that you add here is going to be tagged with drinks. So like you could add cute coffee shop. Obviously, you'd write the shop. But anyways, super easy. So the next thing you want to do is like actually go on. So if you want to add a new date, you just add it from this future date section up here. And I don't know, birthday dinner. You choose the date that you're like gonna go, and then you choose the place that you go. So it will pull up all of the options that you have in your little like place inventory. So I'm gonna choose the cute cafe. And now you all of your future dates, so like anything on or after today will appear in this section. And you can also flip to the calendar, see all of your upcoming dates. And another cool thing that you can do is that you can rate all your past dates down here. So like this view will show you anything that's happened this month. And here you'll see all of your dates grouped by month, how many dates you went on during that month. And if you've forgotten to like rate something, all of your unrated dates will be in this section here. And so a cool thing you can do is so the cool thing about this is that if you go to a place like more than once and add here in the past, you can calculate an average score for it. So now if I click into Cute Cafe, it's going to tell me the average score. So the average rating I give that place is 7. And the number of times I've been to that place is 3. Like these are all of my visits. And so down here, what that does is that in your little date ideas section, you can essentially create a leaderboard, like all of the places that you visited, and you can also keep track of places that you haven't visited. You cake shop. Why not? Let's change it. So now we'll see the cute cake shop is going to be in here. You haven't visited it, so it doesn't have an average rating, and you can see that you have been to the cute cafe, and you can see its average rating. Pretty cool. Okay, and so I know you're gonna ask me, well, what if I want to add a different category? Super easy. All you do is you duplicate this and like switch the category name. So I don't know, let's say you're really into hiking and you wanted to have a whole section dedicated to hikes you want to go on. Then in here, you would switch the filter, and so if we type in hiking, it doesn't exist yet. So what we have to do is we need to create another category here for hiking. We're just going to put it in here temporarily. And so now here we can switch this to hiking. And then we're going to switch all the filters in date idea to this one. This one. That's two. That's three. Super easy. And how we're gonna get rid of that because it's not a hiking date unless that cute cafe was part of the deal. Yeah, that's how you add a new category. And so, like I mentioned this before, this is totally shareable with other people so they can add to it and contribute to it. And it's a bit like Google Docs. You just share the link and change the permissions setting. So you could have a version of this for yourself, with like your best friend, with your significant other, with like your grandma, get her onto Notion and actually be really intentional about spending time with. As I mentioned before, the template is free to download, linked below with the option to donate and support my work. That is all for today. I'd love to see people like actually using this. So like let me know if this worked for you. And bye. If you are curious about Notion and have never used it before, you can use my link, which will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Best way to get in touch with me is email. If you want to join my membership club, catch all my latest template releases or courses or any cool things I'm doing, best places to stay up to date with me would be my newsletter and Twitter and Instagram. And if you are curious about what I used to film this video, I've also linked my kit below. Thanks so much, and I will catch you soon. Let me know what you want me to do videos about. Yeah.